Okay, this is just the video, just making, walking. Anyone who was, anti-cough medicine shot, you know, the cough medicine that came out, I'd say around 2021, anyone who's against that is against genetic manipulation, okay? Like, you can't be against the cough medicine that came out in 2021 and be in favor of genetic manipulation, because the cough medicine was genetic manipulation, you know? The cough medicine was it was a rDNA, and it basically made you into like a new being, right? It was gene therapy. It wasn't really a traditional cough medicine, right? And so anyone who is anti rDNA cough syrups is not in favor of genetic manipulation. Genetic manipulation would be something that would have to be done to them, not by their consent, you know. It would be done under duress or something like that. You would be a fool to believe someone who was anti-cough medicine was also pro-genetic manipulation. That's stupid, okay? So, you know, I'm just putting that out there for whatever reason. You know, back in the day, the left of American politics, they used to go on and on about Monsanto and how bad Monsanto was. Monster company, basically. Monster of Satan. Satan, being Apollo, calls himself Jesus Christ, I do believe. Anyway, the left used to be very much against, you know, very much against, what's it called? Genetic manipulation in terms of our food. Like, it's very strange how the left would be anti-GMO crops, which is good, but when it comes to GMO medicine, you know, it's like if you're not in favor of GMO medicine, you basically need to be executed. It's for humans. I mean, it's very bizarre how, on one hand, you can see how risky and how bad and how dangerous GMO crops are, but you can't really see that with people. It's very, very odd. Very odd indeed. But yeah, you know, I am anti-GMO people, animals, crops, everything. I'm not in favor of GMO. Not in favor of genetic manipulation, rDNA, cough syrups, none of that. And you would be a fool to believe otherwise, because I'm not in favor of it. If anything like that was ever done to me, it wouldn't be by my consent, you know. Rather die. So, it's just a little video, just putting it out there in the ether, I guess. Anyways, that's the video. Bye.